watching Fulton Today.
Portions of the following segment are part of the Fulton County Common Ground Initiative. Common Ground, the county's comprehensive solution to the problem of health disparities in the community.
Promoting acceptance of mental health and substance abuse treatment is the focus of this week's Common Ground report. The medical director of behavioral health, Dr. Sultan Sims, he's here now to outline how Fulton helps those dealing with these issues. Sir, welcome back to Fulton Today.
Thanks, Shania, for having me again. It's good to be with you.
So, sir, let's first by informing everybody that September is National Recovery Month. So can you tell us how prevalent mental health and substance abuse issues are?
Over 45 million people suffered with a mental illness in 2011. Additionally, over 20 million people ages 12 or older were diagnosed with some form of substance use disorder.
And what are some of the more common mental disorders that we see in the county?
Well, the most common mental disorders generally are anxiety disorders, mood disorders such as bipolar disorder and major depressive disorder, psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia. Here in Fulton County, our goal is, our mission is to treat those with severe and persistent mental illnesses. So more commonly here in Fulton County, we treat people with mood disorders such as major depressive disorder and bipolar disorder, and psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia.
And doctor, what are the most commonly abused substances and why?
When we talk about substance abuse, we tend to focus on illegal substances. However, I must mention that the most commonly abused substances are nicotine in cigarettes, which is legal, and alcohol, which is legal. Some of the illegal substances are marijuana, cocaine. We have a major issue right now with prescribed pain medicines. Those are opiates, and heroin is also an opiate, and also stimulants such as crystal meth. We also are concerned about people abusing prescription stimulants.
And people can overcome these illnesses and addictions. Speak to that, please.
The first step is to seek help. There are many people who suffer in silence due to a lack of awareness of the options that are available, or out of shame, or a desire to believe maybe they can do it on their own. So the first step is to really identify that there's an issue, something is going wrong that's impacting my life and my ability to function, and to pursue treatment.
And finally, tell everybody about what county services are available to help them.
We have a team that includes psychiatrists and therapists who are available to provide assessment and diagnosis. We tailor the treatment to that individual. We offer medication management, individual and group counseling. We have substance abuse specific group counseling. There are community groups, self-help groups, and groups focused on recovery, such as Alcohol Anonymous, that meets at one of our clinics. We have a program focused on youth, our Clubhouse program for youth at risk for substance abuse disorders. So we have a variety of options that are available.
Well, Dr. Sims, it is always a pleasure. Thank you so much for your time and great information.
You're welcome, and thanks for having me.
Now, the Behavioral Health Division of Health Services can be reached at 404-613-3675 or online at livebetterfulton.org. The number for young people with substance abuse issues is 404-612-7112. In less than a month, anyone who does not have health insurance will be able to buy some at the Health Insurance Marketplace. It's made possible through the Affordable Care Act. As explained in these online videos by the federal government, starting October 1st, you'll be able to sign up for the coverage online. So the Federal Health and Human Services Department is offering webinars to guide you through the process. The new law is aimed at helping the uninsured, some 20% of Georgians, but also people who buy their insurance now.
Well, the next wave of the Affordable Care Act is here. Starting October 1st, citizens in Fulton County will be able to sign up for health insurance through the healthcare marketplace. And so it's time to get ready. We've been chatting about it for a while, but now it's time to get ready.
The webinars are being held all this month. Here is the web address. You can also visit healthcare.gov.